Vegetables. Today I have come up with a magic cube recipe made of curry base. Those who cooks will be knowing that the basis ingredients or the steps to make almost all the curries are the same. The taste varies when we adjust the flavors and also depends upon the type of vegetable or the meat we use. So, suppose if you can make this base and store it very long, how much time we can save in our daily basis? That's why today I have come up with a curry base cube idea. I'm going to make it with only small items that will be available in our kitchen. I'm using the whole spices here because it always have a better fragrance, better flavor if you use the whole spices. You can skip this and add garam masala. If you're using garam masala, skip this entire step and directly add the onion. Okay, or else that flavor won't last if you're adding garam masala in the beginning. That you can add at the end of all the cooking. paste, you can add chopped ginger and garlic. And as I had this homemade ginger garlic paste with me, I'm using this directly. If you are not having homemade paste, always have a better taste, or else you can use store-bought ginger garlic paste also. Instead of cashews, you can use melon seeds or badam, or you can if you are having all of this in your kitchen, you can add all of this 1/4 cup each, and it will always add an extra taste to the curry. And also when you add this, the curry thickens very fast. That's why we are adding this. Its flavor is always better, right? If you don't have any of this cashews or badams or melon seeds, you can skip this, but adding any of this will always increases the flavor. If you're using badam instead of cashews, just put it in hot water at least 2 hours before, because grinding this badam will always take time if it is not chopped well. Straining the cashews, the water from the cashews, I'm adding only the cashews, but while grinding, if you want to add an extra 1 or 2 teaspoons of water, because we want a smooth taste here, then you can use this water instead of adding pure water later. Here there is again no fixed amount of this spice powders, how much you can use. This entirely depends upon your flavor and your taste. down, then you can transfer it to an ice cube tray. I had a lid, ice cube tray with a lid, so I can actually keep it in the refrigerator for so long. If you don't have a lid, then you better keep it in a Ziploc bag, and before you transfer it to a Ziploc bag, make sure all the air is completely pressed out, or else it won't you can't keep it for very long time. If you're using it in ice cube tray, it is always very easy to take out. If you want just one cube, you can easily take out the one cube, or else you can all this directly you can transfer it to an airtight container as well. By that time, if you're doing like that, make sure every time if you're taking out, the spoon is completely clean and without any moisture, or else the curry base remaining base will be spoiled.